In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm Community Edition on Termux. For those of you who don't know, PyCharm is one of the most famous programming environments for Python programming. The first thing to do is to go to the official PyCharm page that I will leave in the description of the video and select the community version since it is the one that offers a free license. Download the file and unzip it. I'm going to do it directly from the File Explorer, but you can do it from the terminal with the command you see on the screen. Once the file is unzipped, we are going to install a necessary program, the Java 17 JDK. When we have installed it, we can run PyCharm from the executable located in the bin folder. We run the launch script, and we can use PyCharm normally. For example, I have created a test project, and I have made a simple print to check that everything works correctly. I hope you like this video, and if you want more videos about programming environments, leave it in the comments.